Economics Part 1, Theme 1, Microeconomics, and here we're gonna go over the three first respect points, which are thinking like an economist, using ceteris paribus, and the inability in economics to make scientific experiments. Now, I don't really think you really need to know these things that well, but this ceteris paribus is really important. Ceteris paribus just means all things are equal. Now, what does this mean? That means we have to consider all variables. Like, for example, let's say demand, no, let's increase the supply of face masks. And we're gonna say we're gonna make profits. However, we're gonna ignore anything else that comes anything else. We're just thinking of these. We're just focusing on these. What's happening here, and we're gonna ignore our external factors, but we'll use a better word called variables, such as e.g. COVID-19, which caused supply of masks to kind of increase. And what else? Value judgments. Value judgments cannot be, they're literally statements that cannot be wrong or right. They're basically just opinions. Opinions. Not wrong, neither right. For instance, like you have words like unfair, should, I don't know, not factual. However, and this is inside of positive, no, not positive, normative statements have have value judgments. However, on the other hand, we have positive statements. These are more factual, evident based, doesn't really have a bias. E.g. School systems, school students have dropped out, increasing at 5% per year. Okay, that does not make sense, but yeah. School students have dropped out. What? Oh yeah, students who have dropped out have been increasing 5% per year. And now an opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. Now this is the cost of the best next alternative foregone. This just means that we have lost something that we could have gained. Like, for example, if you spend money on PFC, right, you could have used that money for, I don't know, buying ice cream or something. So you see, these two are your best, or that they're alternatives of each other, and you could have spent your money on ice cream instead. And next is economic agents, which are consumers, producers, and government. which we normally talk about in our essays, and renewable, non-renewable. Oh, come on, guys, you know that.